Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in today I will presentation about my kucha about country is Spanish. Spain. Okay, so the first.
Tanahnya ke sana kan.
Okay, so the first I will uh, describe about this country. Why I choose this because in this country is there is so many I have interest in, like we're in the city, and then I like the food of the Spanish, and then there is so many culture there is unique in the Spanish. So uh, the red one is in the top. The meaning is the red color represent the blood spilled by the bull, and the yellow color present is like traditional Spanish bullfighting, and then and the red band at the bottom is like said in the Spanish legends say it is claim that the red color is uh, like represent King of Ferdinand II. The red and yellow colors of the flag were chosen to the primary and colors of the coat of arms. And then next to the following slide, the Spanish language is Spanish, right? So the Spanish country is use the Spanish language. The Spanish language is there is what to say? There is so many other country is use Spanish language too, like in what like in the Colombia, and then there is more of the country is 2008 country is use the Spanish language. And then next is the currency of the Spanish. So the currency of Spanish is euro. So the one of the euro into apa ya?
Rupiah.
Oh ya, 2 rupiah is the point is 19,000 rupiah in the rupiah to euro to rupiah. So if you change to 200 euro to rupiah is there is 3 million rupiah. And then next to the slide, there is the government of Spanyol. There is king. So there is a king of the Spanyol. Spain. Forgot. Spain is Philip VI. So there is Philip VI is have some like children as what how to say yeah. To the next generation there is Princess Leonor, and so the Philip VI is 19 June 2014 from he is what be the king. And then the food of the Spain is number one is chorus. So chorus is like what? In Indonesia is named cakwe, but in the Spain is like use let's see f- Matiga tuh what to say like use butter and then use some flour to fry it in the pan, and you can add some in the courage is add some like let's say like kayu manis,
Just food, sweet food.
like sweet
Manis aja.
like in Indonesia is kayu manis the name, and add some topping there is delicious chocolate.
It's three.
And then the next is the food. Number two is paella. So paella is like rice. Uh, when the cook his rice, he use some like uh, orange lemon, and then use some what some topping like seafood. There is so many like topping for seafood. So there is there is shrimp, and then use squid, and then use some ya seafood lah. And then there is dessert from the Spain is crema catalana. It's like uh, what the custard, but he there is burnt sugar in the topping in the top. So there is make some interest in this food this
Bukan
yeah
ya?
burnt
Gula
sugar.
Jawa ya?
Not brown sugar, mister. Burn sugar. And then and the four of the food is gazpacho. Gazpacho is like soup, but the soup is the serve is cold. So in the Indonesia is soup is deserve too hot, but it's different. In the Spain, there is soup deserve make it cold. So there is food from the Andalusia. And then next, the tourism place of the Spain. So the first is Museo del Prado in the Madrid. So in the Madrid there is many have museum in Spain. So there is this one as the one of the most important art museum in the world. So the Museo del Prado in Madrid is a paradise for art lovers. So this museum is founded in 1918. The museum is home to more than 8,000 paintings. And although only around 1,300 are on display to space limitation. And then the second is Sagrada Familia. So Sagrada Familia is placed in the Barcelona. There is a church is from uh, 1882, but now is the church is still what still
Use.
still like built I don't know. masih pembangunan,
Still
still building,
being built.
still in build. So and then the next is Alcazar of Seville. So Alcazar of Seville is there is one of the most one of the most uh, place in the Seville. There is have a beautiful and then must have a great place in the so this palace is I want his this palace is into in the categorized of the what Europe the Alcazar this is of the historic palace of Europa. So
Most
is palace.
only place.
So if you enter the Alcazar of Seville, you can see the like complex palace is uh, like if you walk around into the Patio de las Doncellas is you can see some like uh, like trees and then you can see there is some like architecture from this place. The architecture is like mix from the what from the
Building.
yeah the own building, and so the motif is like mixed Islamic and then Gothic and then there is the others lah. So if you walking around in this there is so many people said it's like no like you walking in the other universe.
Immersive.
And then there is this palace the name is Alhambra in there is in the Granada. So there is same like Alcazar of Seville, but there is a different location in the what Seville. There is like so the this palace is there is what am I to say? Bangun dari dulu Mas.
Jadi,
There's great things.
it has been built
Is there is
a long time ago before.
this palace is building like built in the long time ago. So the
It's the old building.
yes it's the old buildings and there is have a beautiful garden too. The name is General Life Gardens Alhambra. And then we go to the next the culture of the Spain. So there is the first is Las Falas is like culture unique in the Spain. So if you visit the Spain, maybe you can find this event is like is uh, on the March. So you can see the Las Falas culture. So there is like a paper of the this creating by on paper and like make some like this like what like dolls maybe, and then in the night comes he will no, the
It's statue.
yeah like the statue is like, burner. And then
Who is bird?
And then
Siapa?
like
Citizen warga.
no it's like tugas. And then the second of the culture of Spain is San Fermin. So like if you go to Spain, you can see the traditional culture. There is the name San Fermin. So the San Fermin is like the culture. What? So the many people or the citizen is what? To berkumpul nggak sih? Together in this city, but with the bulls likes this. And then the next is the capital city of the Madrid. Spain is Madrid. So the capital city of the Spain is Madrid because the Madrid is the city there is on palace for the King Philip VI to stay away in the palace. So there is a family. There is so many family to live in this city. So because there is have like a government in the Madrid and then place in Madrid. So maybe that's all from me. And then the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Nah,